So guys, this is all you need. Cream O, a big cup, fork, or spoon, a warm water, a powdered milk, and a sugar. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we need to crush the cream O. Set aside your crushed cream O, get your powdered milk, and warm water. Get a 1 spoon powdered milk and put it on your warm water. And stir it. Next is get a sugar and get 1.5 spoon of it. Then stir it. Next is get your cream O and a scissor and cut it like this. Next is you get your big cup and do it like this. So now, get your milk and put it into the cream O. So, do it like this. After that, let's go to the refrigerator to get it cold. Let's wait 6 to 8 hours to get it cold. Now, this is the final product, the cream O ice cream. So let's taste it.